You're the best. Got the looks, killer dress. I'm impressed. You put my loyalty to the test. You so bad, I'd get you out of my head and straight into my bed.